If your jellyfish is a bright blue button, you're actually looking at a porpita. Not a jellyfish, but a hidden gem of the sea. Let's uncover its secrets. Meet porpita, also called the blue button. At first glance, it looks just like a tiny jellyfish. But here's the twist, it isn't. Porpita is a hydroid. Think of it as a cousin to jellyfish, but with its own style. Instead of one animal, it's a colony made up of many tiny creatures working together. That bright blue, flat disc, it helps porpita float on the ocean surface, drifting with the waves. So next time you spot a blue button at the beach, remember, you're seeing a misunderstood marvel, not a jellyfish. Nature is full of surprises, isn't it?